How to get QR code in Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get Facebook QR code. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Facebook. Make sure that your Facebook is updated to the latest version. And after you open up your Facebook, make sure that you're logged in into your account. After you do that, tap on the search bar that is on the top. Tap on the search bar, and what you'll need to search here is QR code. So after you search for QR code, hit search, and after you search, you'll see the QR code option on the top. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, you will get to a scanner. Now on the scanner, you will not really need to scan anything. You'll need to head over to the QR option to find your QR. Now what you can do is you can share this QR with your friends so they can scan this QR code and get to your profile. Now they can add friends easily using this. You can share it using your, you can take a screenshot, you can share using your Facebook's Messenger, you can share it using your WhatsApp, and a lot of other options as well. So that is basically how you can get your Facebook's QR, guys. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video, and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.